Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your account password on the PrimeXBT application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PrimeXBT application on your device, and once you have logged in using your biometrics or your PIN code, you will be taken into the home page. Now from here, in order to change your password, just tap on the profile icon at the top left corner and then scroll down until you see the security section. Now just tap on it and you will see the change password button. Just tap on this button and now you will be allowed to change your password. Just type in your current password that you are using within the current password box and then type in your desired new password underneath. Then type in this new password once again for confirmation, and now you can click on the change button, which will now change your password right away. After you have gotten the notification, you will be able to use this new password in order to log into your account in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on the PrimeXBT Trading App. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.